Hello, welcome to this video, and my name is Casey Tan, and I'm the creator or the instructor of this best-selling clickbank success course, Affiliate Marketing Without Website, over at udemy.com. And along these years, people have been asking me what are the ways to generate affiliate marketing income without a website. So I'm doing this quick video to share with you some of the tips that you can do to get your first clickbank sales without a website. Okay, so the first tip I want to share with you is you can use Bing Ads, which is an advertisement platform, and many affiliates marketers, even experienced affiliate marketers, don't know that we can now use Bing Ads to advertise our clickbank affiliate link. Okay, this is after the update of 2018. And why Bing Ads is because when people search using Bing.com and Yahoo.com, for example, in this case, people search lose weight fast, you can see all the advertisement here. And you can straight away put in your clickbank affiliate link here. So when people click on your affiliate link and purchase the product to help them to lose weight, you make commission without a website. So that's how it works. And one of the best advantage of using Bing Ads is because when people are searching for a solution using Bing or Yahoo, there's a high chance that they click on this link and purchase the product. So this is a very high targeted traffic. Okay, and this is the most important tip. When you are creating an advertisement in Bing Ads, make sure you locate this tracking template and put in your affiliate link here. Okay, do not put in your affiliate link in other box because your advertisement will be rejected. So only put in your affiliate link in the tracking template. This is a very important tip for you. Another tip is when you are choosing a clickbank product to promote on Bing Ads, don't choose a clickbank sales page that shows just a video. Okay, because nowadays there are a lot of clickbank products just show you a video, expect you to watch. The reason because over at search engine, when people click on your link, they are not expecting to see a video. So if they click on your affiliate link and see a video sales page, high chance they will just close your window and you waste money on the advertisement. So I hope you get the point. Always choose a sales page with text content or video plus text, but never just video sales page alone. Okay, and the final tip I want to share with you is always use a keyword tracker tool. There are a few keyword tracking tools out there that you can track sales. And I use the tracking tool mainly because I want to know what are the exact keywords that give me sales for clickbank product. Okay, so this is a very powerful technique because once you know what are the keywords that give you the sales, you can increase the bid on these keywords and you can take away other keywords that don't give you sales. This is a very powerful way of spending just a little bit and get $24 per sale. Okay, one click or two click can just cost you 20-30 cents. So that's an extremely high ROI. Okay, so finally, if you want to download my free guide on to learn all this stuff like a case study of using Bing Ads for clickbank product, knowing what are the top niches to promote and what are the niches to avoid, and what is exactly the keyword tracker that I use to track my profitable keywords, you can go to this URL, clickbankquicksales.gr8.com to download my free guide. Okay, I wish you all the best and thank you.